SOLIDWORKS Manage is a new tool that builds on SOLIDWORKS PDM Professional with a unique set of advanced data management tools for project, process, and item management. SOLIDWORKS Manage is a comprehensive, easy-to-use and implement application that eliminates the need to use separate, disconnected tools and silos of data. With the project management functionality in SOLIDWORKS Manage, organizations can plan each stage of their projects, assign resources and tasks, and attach required documentation to the project. Projects are always live with activity by all concerned, not just the project manager. And when users complete their work, the project progress is automatically updated. Complex business processes such as ECR, ECN, or timesheet approval can be defined to company standards. With its drag-and-drop workflow designer, process states and decision points can be configured, and user tasks, permissions, and notifications can be assigned. SOLIDWORKS Manage also offers a powerful dashboard and flexible reporting functionality to provide instant access to critical business information. SOLIDWORKS Manage provides an easy upgrade path to a distributed data management system that can be utilized by many different groups within an organization to deliver cohesive information to all areas of their business.